Ever wondered why some science videos explode with millions of views, while others vanish in the digital void? Veritasium, the YouTube scientist with over 14 million subscribers, seems to have cracked the physics of virality itself. But what's the formula behind his success? Today, we'll decode the science behind his science, and you'll discover how Veritasium manipulates curiosity, timing, and even your brain's chemistry.
Veritasium doesn't start with facts. He starts with questions. Can you solve this paradox? Is this really the fastest way to learn? That single question triggers dopamine in your brain, a tiny chemical reward that pushes you to keep watching until you find the answer. This is called the information gap theory, the same psychological effect that makes cliffhangers addictive. So when you feel that unstoppable urge to know the truth, it's not magic. It's neuroscience. Every Veritasium video follows a hidden rhythm, a three-part narrative wave. 1. Surprise. The setup defies expectations. 2. Conflict. Science challenges your assumptions. 3. Resolution. A satisfying aha that releases tension. This mirrors how energy transforms in nature. Potential builds up, then releases as enlightenment. His storytelling literally mirrors the laws of thermodynamics of attention. Unlike textbooks, Veritasium turns invisible science into something visible. Slow motion shots, glowing diagrams, experiments exploding with color. Your visual cortex eats that up, because the human brain processes visuals 60,000x faster than text. That's why his videos feel like mini movies, not lectures. Every frame has movement, because stillness kills attention. Here's another secret. Veritasium doesn't act like a teacher. He acts like a curious friend. He doubts, questions, even gets things wrong, and that builds trust. Psychologically, audiences relate more to imperfection than to authority. That's called the pratfall effect, a principle proven in social psychology. So every stumble, every wait, that can't be right, actually makes you trust him more. Now here's the digital part of his genius. Veritasium titles obey the curiosity plus emotion equation. Example: the most misunderstood concept in physics. Curiosity plus conflict costs clicks. He uses short words, emotional contrast, and mystery to dominate YouTube's AI recommendation engine. And once you click, the retention curve, his pacing, scene changes, and cliffhangers tells YouTube, people can't stop watching this. That's how algorithmic gravity pulls millions of new viewers every day.
So maybe Veritasium isn't just teaching science, he's using science to teach you science. Psychology, physics, storytelling, emotion, all fused into one unstoppable formula. The same formula that could power your own curiosity. Because the real secret isn't in his videos, it's in the way you think. And if you understand that, you've already learned the biggest lesson Veritasium ever taught.